bitch, I'm big Lexus and I be the baddest. Your whole cry baby and she be the saddest. They ask how I do it, I say this shit magic. That boy below basic, but I'm above average. I'm a little savage, but far from the savages. I'm a big gangster, not a little ratchet, and I keep a ratchet. The whole game be packing, serving and staking. We step in your seat, the lights start to flash, and we hugging me down, but we going up. He wanna be stuck with me, I'm like, good look, stop flexing your cash if you won't give it up. How you scared to spend money, but you still a dog, bitch? What's up, y'all? It's your girl 627 Heavy Reppin' PPM Pretty Big Lexus, and I'm here with
China Red _YRB.
Okay.
Lil Crew the biggest.
Okay.
Y'all know what's going on. Big Hunter the motherfucking biggest in this bitch.
Played our girl Carly.
Okay. So y'all, today I'm finna ask them a couple questions that I made up on my phone, and we finna see like what they thinking over here. So look, first question we gonna roll out. Describe yourself and your personality.
Alright, I'ma say I'm cool. I got like a real big sister type of spirit. You feel me? Like I got an old soul, so it's a lot of shit like the old people, the morals and principles they go back. I go back. You feel me? Like the code. You know, it's just certain shit you do and don't do. And shit. Other than it, I'm cool as fuck, and I can cook my ass out, and I can rap my ass out.
Okay. I said describe yourself and your personality, your style and your personality.
I feel like I'm just quote unquote different. Like I just feel like I'm very different. Like I'm very goofy. I'm like a goofy goober. But on the real shit, like I feel like I'm very cool. Like everybody love me. I naturally gravitate people to me. I'm looking.
So no one is alone when you hear me.
Where everybody know me, I'm just blunt. I keep it there, I'm funny. I can cook too, I can rap too, you know. And I'm just a hood ass bitch, you know.
I'm cool, I'm Karen, I do hair, I do makeup, you know, I'm a real lady type of person. Everybody love me.
Okay. So my next question, I said, how do you feel about family and what's some of your hobbies?
Everybody know how I feel about family. Family is very, very important to me. I'm a very family-oriented person. Like I said, I got a big sister spirit, so, and I don't need strangers either, you feel me? So, like, I feel like the bond I got with my real family is what make me have the bond with my friends, you feel me? So I treat my friends and stuff like real family. And what was the other part of the question?
I said, what's some of your hobbies?
Okay, I do her, I'm a licensed cosmetologist, so I do her, I cook every single Sunday. When I say I love my family, it's Sunday dinner in my house, my entire family be there. Literally, everybody be there in my line. Like, everybody be there, so, yeah, and then I'm a mother full time, so.
Well, my family, I got a booty side and I got a ghetto side. So it's like I understand, like family just family. Like I love my family. We have our ups and downs, but at the end of the day, I don't play with my family. And then my hobbies are cooking, rapping, making jokes, going out, you know, taking trips, all this. I just like being fun. Like
Yeah. What about you?
But okay, family is all we got, so I'm a very family type of girl.
And what's some of your hobbies?
Hoeing.
Oh my God!
But now hair and makeup and just listen to music.
Okay. Some of my hobbies, man, I be cooking, I be making some outfits, I be I be doing my nails sometimes. I just got into that. So I really just be bouncing around and whatever come out, I be like, damn, tight shit. I be making shoes and shit, customizing shoes. Like, for me, it's whatever I'm going for that day.
Yeah.
Like, I just,
how do you feel?
I'm shit. That's what I be,
So, whatever I could, I had made a booty paint. That hoe was so cute. Like, I was looking at the little sneaky, but that hoe was so cute. And I was like, damn, I made that hoe glow in the dark. I be like on some next shit, like creative shit.
It's turn.
Mine, but outside of that, I be vlogging, editing, stuff like that. So anything to keep me busy or keep my mind going type shit.
I'm a church girl too. I love church. I love God. You don't love God? What's wrong with you? Real talk. Gotta give praise to that man.
For sure. Just for getting us up every day.
I stamp it because you can't wake up. You can't tell yourself to get up. You feel me? You can't raise nobody
Ain't
from
nobody
the
popping
dead.
you up.
You can't make your heart stop beating and start.
My next question was, what type of men y'all like? You know what I'm saying? Like, what you wanting to do? You know what I'm saying? How he gotta come?
Rich nigga, 8 nigga, this my tight. This my tight. This my tight. Nah, but for real though, I like a man that likes to lead. I like a masculine man, buff, chocolate. You know,
Okay, chocolate
gotta
for
love
sure.
guy. You gotta love guy. You gotta love guy, baby. Because if you don't love guy, you ain't gonna know how to treat me. This real spill, okay. But yeah, now I just like a nigga that's affectionate. They put in time for me. You know, a hard worker. You feel me? And like I said, a alpha, like a man that know how to lead. Not no nigga that's always saying, "What you doing? What you doing?"
Oh, what you doing,
But a
Warrior?
nigga that's like, put your clothes on, put your shoes on. We going here, we going there. You know, a leader. Get out the car, open my door, open the door wherever I'm going. I don't care if I'm going to the restroom. They come up my door. Like y'all remember that time when Lil Wayne had ran up to the stage to help Nicki Minaj up there?
Yeah.
I need a nigga like that. Okay, period.
Okay, what about you?
See me, I like white, black, Asian.
Damn,
Hey man, I do not have no
No
type.
discrimination.
Yes, I like all flavors, all colors, orange, yellow, blue. But anyways, but for real, down to real shit, I just like me a good man who really, I just don't like liars. Like one thing about me, I always say, since I'm young, I'm about the youngest one in this bitch. So since I'm young, I always be like, I can accept probably cheating or some shit. Just don't like. I don't like do not embarrass me. Still respect me. You know what I'm saying? Even if we not together type shit, still respect me. You know what I'm saying? We even gonna be talking. Just show me you fuck with me type shit. You know what I'm saying? Other than that shit, I be feeling like motherfucking young, motherfucker gon' say the next bitch pretty, the next bitch got a big booty. I don't give a fuck. Cause bitch, I'm never gonna be insecure. But
Shit, and that ass still clap on.
yeah.
Okay.
Alright, well, you know me, like, trying to say I like a man that's a leader. Thorough like me, keep it real, don't hide nothing from me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm understanding. And then, you know, like, Q said, respect go a long way too, you know what I'm saying? And I like a hustler.
Okay.
I don't want to be the only
like
one
that.
bringing the money in. You got to have something going too.
Thanks.
Alright. What about you?
I like a dude with personality because don't nobody got time for all that nonchalant shit.
You know that dry shit.
Exactly, and if he nonchalant, he do not like you. Remember that. If that nigga nonchalant, he do not like you.
Cause I ain't never known no nigga to be nonchalant about me, baby.
Period.
Tight
Real
shit.
tender.
Fine.
Like a chicken tender.
I ain't gonna lie. I like a nigga that be up my ass literally.
Tender, you
Like,
hear me?
baby, love me,
I
care
love
about
me,
me,
baby.
like, spoil
ready,
me,
okay.
love me.
Be ready to knock my head off.
Head punch up.
When I bring you your plate, be like, damn, baby, what we got today type shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, hype me up type shit, talk
Like,
that
damn,
shit.
baby,
I ain't gonna lie, I'm out smart as hell, so you might have to choke me up and shit like
And
that.
baby,
You
that's
gotta
the
know
key.
permission.
Right. And please be a head hunter.
Oh my God, hey.
I ain't going nowhere.
Okay. You gonna have to match my energy.
Thank you.
Down to the head,
Thank
baby.
you.
I'm just saying, if
I love
it ain't
you.
right, you can take it on to the left, like Beyonce said, baby.
To the left. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Other than that, I love a man who just caring, like, bruh, who just show that he caring without even trying to be like, oh, I'm caring. Did you see that type shit?
Like we're not having
Like,
to do too much.
you know what I'm saying? Be playful. Don't be dry, cuz, like, I'll leave. I'm so quick to leave. I'm sorry. And
I'll
it's
be
only
right back.
because if I don't see a future with you, I'm not finna waste our time. I'd rather you find who for you, because it ain't me.
There we go.
My next question is, what is y'all favorite hairstyle? Wait.
I love braids. My braids, like in my If You Look video, go screen it on YouTube, China Red. If You Look, then YouTube, anyways. But yeah, my braids, I did that myself. But my braids, they just bring out like a whole nother side of me. I be looking so exotic.
Okay. So you China red,
Yeah.
like when you chilling. But who are you with your braids?
Just red.
I'm the
She the young rich Barbie with her Barbie.
yeah, for sure. Young
I
Rich
guess.
Barbie.
I guess.
Young Rich Barbie,
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah.
No cap, cause I be in a whole different element with them braids. Like, it be a whole different me. Like, oh, yes.
What about you?
And I be feeling real sexy when I get a bob. That's about my favorite hairstyle. Like when I get a bob, I be feeling good as a mother.
Oh Jesus.
You look good in a bob. I ain't gonna lie
Yes.
to you.
And I done did a lot of videos in the bob, so bitch, I hope you all gonna be thinking it's the same wig, cause bitch, it ain't.
Period.
It ain't, ho. I got about 6, 7 of them, ho. I be switching up some time from time, ho.
Period.
I like side parts and up down styles, baby, because I be feeling like the sheets. No fuck.
Bust that middle part and I got it.
Period.
Okay, for me, I ain't gonna lie. I love
Natural hair.
my edges. Okay, I gotta do my edges like shit. But like, I love my fro when I take my braids down and my braid style. Sometimes I do my own hair, so it's like it be hard to get the back. So,
Yeah.
hey, I got you in the front type shit, but the back, hey, you just go. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's something back there. Type
But you got some pretty real.
Thank you. But I like when it's down like this and then I got my edges laid tight shit. Feeling salsa right there. They like, who did y'all? Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
What's your favorite clothing brand or like your favorite style outfit? What's the outfit you really feel like you put that shit on?
I ain't gonna lie, I love see-through shit.
Okay.
I love see-through shit, and I love like, you know, like lingerie looking shit, like the shit that be having all the holes in it, but it be like an outfit where you can see up here.
Oh, sexy,
Yes, because anytime I put on an outfit like that, like, oh my
It's
God,
gonna eat.
body
Ow.
be banging, ass be pow, 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 pow.
Dang.
And the heads be like, broke, okay? Yes.
What about you?
Me personally, I just like something like fresh. Like I'm a fresh girl. My favorite designer brand is LV. I got a lot of LV everything. I keep LV bags. I ain't got the shoes yet, but I love the bags. I love the accessory. I love the perfume. I love everything about LV. I like designer. I'm a designer head. Like that's me. I already go get me some designer shoes and some Jordans. Like period.
Okay.
Bella bases. I just love Bella bases. I just have so much Bella bases. But me, I'm just really how I feel. I dress how I feel. Like, if I want to be fresh, I might want to be a girly girl. I might want to be a bad bitch. I just dress how I feel.
What about you?
I will, no.
Period.
I just how I feel.
So me, I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, I be making my clothes and shit. So
You do everything else.
like I be in that whole real deal. Just be in that whole like
I made these.
whatever go off of it.
She got out
Type
This
shit.
a scarf and this a regular shirt.
And you got it tied in that joint. Oh yeah, styling.
Yeah.
Lit.
Look
Shit
like
like
a
that.
shirt.
It's not what you wear, it's how you wear it type shit. Like, so I be really on some that shit. Might I be having like bolts and screws in my hair. My braids, when I do my cornrows, I be, how to, swing a little bit. So that help me swing a little bit. So whatever just go with my fits. Like, I don't know, it just happened, y'all. Like, that's why like different days I be feeling different ways. So one day, shit, if I'm chilling, I'm gonna throw on some joggers, probably a romper, cause I be like, hey, put me in this little bag, you know what I'm saying? That's great. But if I wanna pop shit, I love me a little skirt and some fishnets. For some reason, I love me some fishnets. When I find some glow in the dark joints, I'm on their ass. Okay. Then like a bunch of accessories, earrings.
Yeah, you got to pop it with the
bracelets.
accessories.
Yeah, cause that's really gonna
I feel like
add to
that's
your
what
fit.
pop the outfit.
Right.
It's like this
Body
body shining.
shine.
Yes. See, we
Yeah, I fuck with that shit. I like your piercing right here. Like, that looks so hard.
Thank you.
What's y'all favorite set of bars that y'all ever made? Like, just your favorite foe.
I am the Reese's Bell. I ring on these bitches. Let them know playtime is over. I cannot fuck with these niggas. He ain't giving figures. I will not repeat what I told you. No competition with none of these bitches. They washed up. Do the laundry. I fold them. You hear me?
Okay.
I think it's bitch said Big better eat hot burger. Hey, and I had to get on the beat, and that child is that big for every beautiful bird. Baby been trying to get back in my life, told me show me some action. I don't care about the word. Yeah, I need all of my Glock. Yeah, that's more than folks here.
What about you? I just love spin the block because I like spinning on my ops. So they just gotta spin the block, pillow talk, and make it 3. 5 get a body drop. It can hard, keyboard killing, switch side. It get your head pop. Thug beach, gangster beach, real beach. Yeah, I'm a hard hitter. Been around drinking shit. They know I'm a hard hitter.
Hey, what about you?
I don't rap.
But for me, mine probably, when I went on that hoe, I was like, done to me, you bitches done to me. It's only one of me. I'm a hoes one of me. I must have lived for hoe try to come for me. Thanks for the views. You bitches have fun to me. So what's y'all favorite food?
Pasta.
Pasta?
Cheese.
What kind of pasta?
Ooh, shrimp and chicken.
Okay, what about you?
My favorite food is anything ground beef. Like I'm a ground beef eating that hoe.
Oh my God, okay.
I ain't gonna lie. My favorite food potatoes. I ain't gonna lie. I like baked potatoes. I like French fries. I like mashed potatoes. I like scalloped
She said
potatoes.
one, girl.
I like chips. Did I like one?
Yeah.
So what about you?
Pasta.
Pasta? Okay.
You can do baked potatoes. You can do toast potatoes. But I'm talking about this ain't any type of potatoes. Whatever
I
you want
stand
to
with
do.
me too.
You can put some potatoes over some chips.
Yeah, man, chicken nugget jack. Okay, look. Chicken nugget potato.
Baby, don't get me started.
Spoiler story, my favorite food was ramen because I ain't gonna lie. I just learned how to cook that shit and that shit so good. You can make it so many different ways type shit. Y'all got anything y'all want to shout out? Like, where can we find y'all at?
Man, find me on Instagram, all platforms, China Red, CHINA Red _YRB. Yeah.
Okay.
You can add me on YouTube, Lil Curie. Subscribe to my YouTube, Lil Curie. I'm on every platform. Go get our memories, go get who there, go get going in, go get going in too, go get going in, reload, go get all my shit. Thank you, and you can add me on Instagram, official Lil Curie, Facebook, LaQuincy Wilson. That's LACurieYNCYH space Wilson, WISON. Go get it. Snapchat, _Quincy. You know what I'm saying? If you're a pervert, do not add me. Twitter, official Lil Curie. Thank y'all. That's really what all I got right now. So please go get this shit everywhere on Apple Music. Let's go.
Well, y'all can find me on Facebook, MECHELEBOUSOSKI. IG, the real big hunter. Y'all can find me on everything. The real big hunter, Lily B, whatever y'all want, you know. Yeah, go get that Queen Crumber low.
Y'all can find me on Facebook, Play That Girl Cry. No, That Girl Cry. And Instagram, Play That Girl Cry.
Okay, look, man, y'all know where to find me. You know what I'm saying? 67 Head. You can find me at BIGLXI on everything. You know, just put it in Google, everything gonna come up right there. And then Pretty Paper Mafia for the vlogs, for the adventures and everything else. So follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Follow me on